I'm just so happy. Like, I'm so thrilled. I feel like I have waited over 2 years to get this car with white seats, and now it's here.
Alright guys, we got the white seats installed in the Model 3. Kim has no idea that this has happened, and I'm gonna call her right now.
Hello?
Hey Kim, it's me.
Hi, where are you?
I'm outside and something funny's going on with the car. The screen doesn't come on, I can't get it to work. Do you know what's going on?
No.
Come out here for a second.
Okay, give me some.
Hey.
Hi.
Get ready for the camera.
And I'm in gym clothes.
What's going on
When
with
did
the
you
car?
do this?
Well, you know, it just happened.
It looks really good.
Isn't it amazing?
Wow. Wow. Looks so...
It's legit, right?
Wow. Okay, this is the kind of surprise I like. I wish I was a little more done up. It's crazy to me because, yes, the Model 3 is super minimalistic and simple, but something as simple as the white seats just makes it pop and it gives it that wow factor. And I mean, this sets it off. Like, this is it for me. I love it now. I love it. Alright, so now that I've had a chance to take a real good look at the seats and take a shower, I wanted to share some of my initial thoughts on these white seats. So if you guys have been following us for a while, you know that in our Model X, we had white seats, and then with our Model 3, we held out on ordering it because we really wanted the white seats in the Model 3. We finally went ahead and just ordered it, and we got the white seats from T-Sportline. Now when our Model 3 came, we went to have those white seats installed, and we found out that Tesla changed their pattern. So once again, back to the drawing board, waited a little while, and now T-Sportline has repatterned the uber white seats that we have, and here they are. We finally installed them. So right now, if you wanted Tesla's white seats in your Model 3, the only way that you could do that would be to order the Performance Model 3, or you could do what we did and get T-Sportline's uber white seats, not to be confused with Tesla's ultra white seats, but there are a few differences. The Alcantara would be white with Tesla's version, and the wood trim would also be white, and those are things I would really miss. I love the way the wood trim looks. I think it looks awesome. And the white, you know, it actually might look good where the Alcantara is, but a lot of people just love the Alcantara. So that's kind of a personal preference. Right here would say black with either one of them. With our Model X, this part was white. But what I like about T-Sportline's version is that you get to pick your stitching, and we went with this dark gray stitching, and I think it really ties the black in really well. So one of the first things that I noticed about the white seats was that they felt so plush, and we reached out to T-Sportline and asked them about that, and they actually said that the seats do have more backing and cushion than Tesla's seats, so that is why. Also, as you can see, the design is a little bit different. They're perforated. They have the old school 3, which I really like. Now, with our kids, I was a little bit nervous about getting perforated seats, but we will have the car seats on these seats, and we will have a seat cover, so I don't think we really have to worry about that as much. Also, when we do get our Model X eventually, I'll be probably driving the kids around more in that vehicle. We live in Georgia. It gets very hot here. White seats are great for that. The black seats, I did notice, they heated up. I felt hot and they kind of stuck to my you know what. So we did go ahead and we chose this Insignia, which is the old school Tesla Model 3 logo, but they have other options available, and you can actually get this in real leather if you wanted it. This is the vegan leather and different colors. They have all kinds of options on T-Sportline's website. They do have to be professionally installed though. It's not just something that you throw on over your old seats. It takes a whole day at least to have them installed. T-Sportline did hook us up with professional installers here, and it costs us $600. It's usually somewhere between $500 and $700 to have them installed. But they have industry standard tools that they use that don't tamper with airbags or the warranty or any of that. So it's really important to have the professionals that know what they're doing install these seats. So here is the white elephant in the room that everybody wants to know, the numbers and why we went this route. So right now, if you want to get the white seats in your Tesla, you have to get the Performance Model 3, and the base for the Performance model starts at around $64,000. But by the time you pick autopilot, your paint color, you're up to, I don't know, around $70,000, and then you need to do the premium interior upgrades, and to get the white seats on top of that is an additional $1,500. So now you are in the low 70s. So the catch is, and why we chose to go this route with our Model 3 for the white seats, is that we knew that we wanted the white seats, and we also wanted to get the $7,500 federal tax credit that's available here in the US, and this was really the best route to get both. So one of the biggest surprises with the white seats was the white cup holders. I think that's kind of cool. I like the way it looks. So they weren't comfortable with cameras during the installation process, but look how clean cut this is. And this is, again, why you want someone professional with professional tools doing it, because it's in there nicely, and it looks like the car was built like this. It doesn't look like something we did aftermarket. It looks like we ordered white seats for our Model 3, and this is just how they came, and they're Tesla quality. It's gorgeous. So the child latches for us parents are marked right here, and they're still in there, and yeah, they're like,
yeah, I think that says child right there.
so I'm just so happy. Like, I'm so thrilled. I feel like I have waited over 2 years to get this car with white seats, and now it's here. So I couldn't be happier. So what do you guys think? Do you love the white seats? Is this something that you would consider doing in your Model 3, or would you hold out, buy the Performance Model 3, wait? Let us know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Or maybe not white seats. Maybe you want blue seats or red seats or something totally different. Let us know. Thanks for watching. So the catch is, and why we chose to go this route with our Model X. Model 3. $3,750 would offset the cost of the T-Sportline Model 6. So more than likely, the tech and their Tesla quality, it's gorgeous. I'm so happy.
It happens when you're trying to project.
Oh my goodness, I'm just like, can't. This is why I don't sit in the back seat. Okay.
They didn't want cameras in the shop, but they were blown away by how gorgeous it looked. And I'm like, there's only a handful of them out there that look like this right now.
All right, I want to go get the kids really quickly. Go look at the car. Go look at them. What do you think?
I like the black.
Apollo 3, you're awesome. I love you.